Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to redeem codes in Archero 2. Now first of all, open the mobile application Archero 2, and once you open it, you can just click on your profile button. And once you click on your profile button, so you can see your user ID, which is in my case 116.230.334. You can just click on this copy and your user ID is copied successfully. Now once you have copied it, you can just go back, open the Chrome browser or any other Safari, doesn't really matter, and go to the Google and search your Happy redeem Archero codes. You can just search the statement and you will see the website of Archero, where you can just go and redeem, you can say, your codes. So let it load. As you can see, like, this is the Happy Store, and here you just need to enter your gift code which you want to redeem. Let's say I just enter a random gift code, or let's say this is the gift code. Click on submit, and once you click on submit, so they will ask you to enter your game ID as well. So in this section, just make sure to paste the game ID that you copied inside from the game. Click on done, and verification code, make sure to enter the verification code 1866 and just click on submit. And once you click on submit, so you will be able to redeem your code successfully for the Archero 2. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.